deep conditioner is the bomb. It is very moisturizing, encourages your hair growth, and so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another natural healthy hair remedy for hair growth. So we are going to be doing carrot deep conditioner. We all know that carrot oil is good for our hair and is also good for our body, but have you tried carrot deep conditioner? Let's get started. So I am going to slice my carrot. So this is our carrot. I am going to put it inside the pot. So that is our carrot. I'm going to put it on top of the stove and add hot water inside it. So that is our carrot. I am going to add a little bit of hot water and then I am going to boil it for 5 minutes. You don't want to cook it for too long. So that is our carrot after 5 minutes. So I am going to blend it. I'm going to add a little bit of the water. And then I will blend it. I will add a little more water. So after blending my carrot, I am going to sieve it. I am going to sieve it, just to make sure there is no any little tiny piece of carrot that will be stuck on my hair. So this is our carrot deep conditioner. I am going to leave this to cool down before I apply it on my hair because it is burning hot. It is very hot, but I'm going to let it cool down first and then I'll apply it on my head. This deep conditioner is the bomb. It is very moisturizing, encourages your hair growth. It gives your hair the nutrients that your hair needs. We all know that carrot is good for us as well and is also good for our hair. So I am going to leave this to cool down before I apply it on my hair. So hi guys, I'm back from making my carrot deep conditioner and I am going to be applying it all over my hair, and my hair is clean and washed. So let's go on and put this all over my hair. So guys, I'm done applying the carrot deep conditioner on my hair, and my hair feels so amazing and so soft. Guys, carrot is rich in powerful nutrients and vitamin that is good for our hair, that your hair need for it to grow. I'm telling you, you need to try this. Look at my hair, it feels so bouncy and so soft. Usually if I put a deep conditioner my hair doesn't like, my hair will feel so stiff, but look at that volume, look at that movement. This feels so soft and so amazing on my hair. So I am going to cover this and leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes depending on what I'm doing, and then I'll go off to my bathroom and wash it off with my favorite conditioner. So this is it guys. Thank you so much for stopping by to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.